So something came loose. I just did a belt service and rollers, and I came by the garage for a little while. When I left, it came loose. Luckily it was a short walk. So I think there's gonna be something in there that I did wrong. Yep, sure enough, that came loose. That's okay. That one came loose. I used an impact on it because I didn't have a helper. But one of the neighbors are here today, so I might be able to put a torque wrench on that. Get somebody to hold on to it for me. Whoops. So I found out that this is gonna be pretty much the only way that you're gonna be able to torque it down. I tried pry bars, levering it off the ground, but I couldn't get enough leverage with my body weight. So there's a wrench, 10mm wrench shoved up in there. And then I squeezed a vice grip there. And it gave me enough with the pinch. I had to hold on to it down here. With the pinch there, I was able to use the torque wrench in order to get an actual 80 foot-pounds that calls for. So there's a little trick to making sure your scooter's tight like it's supposed to be.